The Arbitrum Airdrop is significant in cryptocurrency history. Learn how to claim it and other upcoming airdrops. We'll also discuss the Arbitrum token's necessity, price prediction, and purpose. Arbitrarium offers both short-term gains through airdrops and long-term potential. I predicted a minimum market cap of $1 billion just 6 days ago. The Beginner's Guide to Hunting Airdrops on the Arbitrary Chain was a GMX video with a ChatGPT-generated title. Subscribe for value and fun. Click the link in the video description for the airdrop claim location. Connect your wallet and MetaMask. Eligibility for initial airdrop requires knowledge of the process. I wish I did more with this address, but 1,000 coins is still a good outcome. The airdrop is straightforward and leads to Arbitrum. Overall, it's a successful cryptocurrency airdrop and people are excited. Numbers are being analyzed, as discussed in the previous video. Cole has over $100,000 in OTC at an average price of 98 cents. Arbitrum is considered a more valuable optimism token. Second mechanism. Allocate Community DAO Airdrop. The arbitrary token is predicted to be worth $15 according to calculations. If you have 1,000 coins, they would be worth $15. Cryptocurrency airdrops are highly profitable. Agree with tweet about slow fees. Arbitrum Airdrop adds $2 billion liquidity. TVL total value locked on the arbitrary chain is $2 billion with an additional $1.64 billion of stablecoins. In the last 24 hours, the volume there was over $500 million, which is more than the BNB Smart Chain. Arbitrarium is winning already by far, and they haven't even had a token in the equation yet. GMX has been leading the charge aren't Arbitrum, which is making a ton of money and has a good product. They didn't geofence people out of using it because it's leverage trading, which is refreshing as a US. Arbitrarium was designed as a Layer 2 solution for Ethereum, but has become its top competitor and potential killer. Despite the benefits of operating synergistically, the project has received support from major players like Uniswap, Avenue Curve, Sushi, and Stargate. The chain is thriving and gaining momentum. Airdrop injects a lot of money into the ecosystem. 43% goes to the DAO, 27% to the off-chain labs team, 11.5% to users via airdrop, and 1% to DAOs building apps on Arbitrary via airdrop to DAO treasury addresses. Bottom reached for token value. Large investment liquidity injection. Uniswap Sushi Swap receives 4.3 million, Curve receives 3.5 million, Balancer Avenue receives 3 million. Projects are ready, questioning lack of building on Arbitrary. Excited for developments. Voxcoin focuses on earning money with crypto. The tagline is, learn more, earn more. I am a fan of DeFi and Web 3.0. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.